Good morning, good morning. Our bulls back to stay looking at the overall 1 year, 1 day. You know what chart we're looking at. We're looking at the SPY 1 year, 1 day. Looking at the chart, you can see we are in a steep downtrend, and now we are trying to break that 1 year, 1 day trade line. We are oversold, and now we are bouncing. Powell's words basically woken up the overall market, or was it the fact that we were oversold? So looking at the overall charts over here, you can see we're trying to hold above that 1 year, 1 day. MACD has yet to be crossed, so want to be very cautious. Jumping down towards the smaller charts, let's jump down towards the 180-day. Looking at the 180-day over here, you can see that 180-day, we are hitting some type of resistance around this 404 level. A little bit more on the overbought side, but you never know with this overall market, right? So let's drop down towards the 20-day so we could get a closer up picture. Right, so we could look at the 20-day over here. You can see 20 days a little bit more on the overbought side. This area has been a previous resistance level before, so definitely want to be cautious with that 404 level. So once we break that 404 level, I think that's the highest level we hit overnight, 404 and 30 cents. So we want to see if we break that this morning for some possible upside. Once we break that, where's the next possible resistance? Next possible resistance, you can see a major reversal over here around this 406 level. So watch out for that. If we do start to pull back, watch for the break of the 20-day, which is going to be around 402.50 cents. Then we can start basically pulling back down towards the 1 year, 1 day trade line, represented by this orange line right here, the solid line going back towards that 400. So definitely want to watch out for that. Our side's a little bit more on the overbought side, so that means we're more in favor for a possible pullback than an uptrend. So definitely be careful and set your alerts. Today is same day expirations. You guys know what that means. If you guys are not ready for that, trade next week expirations. Moving forward, we're going to look at the Tesla over here. Tesla is moving sideways, finding some type of support. Needs to break at least that 295 zone before we can start basically pushing up towards that 300. If not, watch for the break below 291, and we can start basically pulling back down towards 286, which was a previous support level for Tesla before. Last but not least, keeping the watch list short on Friday. Want to watch to see Meta. Meta is on a crucial pivoting point right here. It's very overbought, just like most of the other stocks with that amazing run up we had yesterday. But we want to watch for that 165 break, and we can start basically pushing up towards those 168s. And then we do have some major support below it. So if it breaks 160, 163, it could go down towards 162. 162 is that SMA. So you definitely want to watch to see if we break that to the downside, then we could have some steep downward trend from here. Other than that, that's going to be it for today. A lot of other stocks are trapped into a range. Make sure you guys trade cautiously, use a stop loss, and leave a like on the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.